Hi, I'm HommyBiscuits, and we're doing a video of my ER and quick order that I just received. For those that don't know, ER is Young Living's Essential Rewards program, and with that you can get reward points, 10 to 25% of your monthly subscription order. And you also get free promo oils every month, depending on how much you spend, as well as like a 3, 6, 9, and 12 month free oil when you stay on the program. So this is my shipment that we're going to go over. But first, I want to let you know HommyBiscuits has her own YouTube channel. So if you would, go over to HommyBiscuits and subscribe and like and share and give me all your good feedback and all that stuff. And also something else that we are rolling out since the top 10 oils video that I did, I've had lots of people interested in Young Living, lots of new signups. When you sign up with me to be on my team, I already send you a pocket reference book that is like the oil encyclopedia, dictionary, whatever you want to call it. It is wonderful, wonderful information when you're new to oils. But we're also, whenever you sign up and then enroll in Essential Rewards, I've got a new goodie bag that I'm going to be sending all of my members that are on Essential Rewards. And members that have already enrolled that are on Essential Rewards, don't worry, I'm gonna ship you out some goodie bags as well. But this is just something that we're doing to introduce you to new products and kind of DIY stuff that you can use your oils every day for.
Quickly, what's in the goodie bag?
So it's gonna change, but right now we're gonna do Young Living lip balm chapstick, as well as some Thieves hand purifier, some DIY fragrance-free laundry detergent, so you can add your own oils to it, and stinky boot powder.
Right.
In a cute little shaker. So, and some Thieves hard lozenges. They're really good. I wanted to get the cough drops, but they are out of stock right now. So we're going to substitute hard lozenges. So anyways, into what we've got. Our first oil. I haven't looked at this yet, so I know what I bought, kind of. Young Living did a promo not too long ago where they ran 20% off of their top 5 sellers. So I took the opportunity to stock up on some of my favorites. So one of those is cedarwood. Mm-hmm. Now this is great for, I use it primarily for sleeping. When you mix it with lavender, it really helps to relax you and put you into slumber mode. But it's also great for, I believe, respiratory support, immune support. When you get into oils, you'll figure out that a lot of them are multitaskers, meaning that they are good for lots and lots of different stuff. So our next one, this was on my rewards. This is Sniffle Ease. So So this is a part of the Young Living Kid Scents line, and this is already pre-diluted for use with younger children. If you're using oils on basically anyone under, I believe it's like 12 years old, it should be diluted to some extent, especially when you first start using it. But this is, just like the name, Sniffle Ease. So it helps with respiratory congestion, coughing, that sort of thing. So I was out. Aspen had a little bit of that a couple of weeks ago, and I went to grab it and was completely out. And oh no! So I ordered some. Lavender. So this was another one that was 20% off. I think I already have 2 bottles of this on my rack, but when something's 20% off and you use it all the time,
right,
why not stock up? So lavender is great for sleep, relaxation, skin, healing, all of that. Next, Thieves. Good old trusty Thieves. So this was another one that was 20% off. This one really, when it goes on sale, you want to buy all of them. Great immune support when you have funk. So I think I got a couple of bottles of that one because, like I said, when it goes on sale, you want to buy it. Let's see. I don't want to. Oh, see, another bottle of cedarwood. I really do use it all. It's a great, like, woodsy type of,
That's good, because you
scent.
don't have a lot of that around here.
No.
There's no woods at all over here.
Shush. I know there's woods, but. Oh. Okay. Well, I guess I just got 1 Thieves. I might have to look at that because I could have sworn I got 2. All right. Another one of my favorites. I'm almost out of. Harmony.
Right there. That's good.
Harmony brings you harmony. So when you are feeling stressed or sad, or when you just need to feel at peace and balanced, you use Harmony. And I love it. I absolutely love it. I wear it almost all the time as a perfume. And then we have a Lemmy. Am I good now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So a Lemmy is another great skin healing oil, skin support, but it smells really good when mixed with lavender or cedarwood as well. And one of Cheyenne's favorites. She uses my Lemmy all the time. Next up is RC. So RC we talked about in the top 10 essential oils video. Great allergy, immune, respiratory support. Cheyenne the other day, like all day long, sneezy. Well, I say all day long. She wasn't. In the morning, she was all sneezy. And I'm like, did you oil yourself? Well, no. Like, go oil yourself. So she did. She went and grabbed the RC. And as soon as she did, sneeziness stopped. So, can't be without if you suffer seasonal allergies or anything like that. Great.
Or if you've just moved to Texas.
Right, Texas cedar.
A lot of people
that
didn't live in Texas moved to Texas, and all of a sudden they have really bad allergies.
Yeah.
And RC helps with
Yes,
that.
tremendously. Next up, oregano. Now this one was a freebie. So this was the promo, one of the promo oils for this month. Oregano is great for immune support as well. It is a very, very hot oil. So you have to dilute this if you're using it topically or even if you're ingesting. If you notice it says Vitality on the label, this is a FDA approved label for ingesting oils. We made that point in the SHTF video that if your oils that you're using say do not ingest, do not apply topically, something's wrong with the oils that you're using. So this is safe to consume. It's the same oil that you would get in a bottle like this. So this is just an FDA approved label. Same stuff. Next is Valor. So I have yet to try Valor. Valor is a new one for me. I've wanted it for a while. It was one of the promo 20% off oils. It's blue. I like that. So Valor is supposed to incite feelings of courage. When you think of Valor, kind of that almighty, powerful, courageous, knight on horseback, storming. I like that. So that's going to be a new one for me. But I haven't, that's really all I know about it. I haven't done a whole lot of research into it, but it's got a lot of pretty good oils in it. So the blue tansy is what makes it the blue color. And then last but not least, so I have been on Essential Rewards for 2 years. And this month was my second year. And so I received a free loyalty blend. And this it gives you feelings of togetherness. Kind of that self-confidence. It's got a lot of really awesome oils in it as well. We have Angelica. Yeah. It's got a whole lot of oils. Like it's a big blend. But it smells divine. And I'm almost out of my other one. So that's the nice thing about it is with the essential oils, you don't have to worry about using them up. Like your citrus oils, those once opened, those do carry kind of a Best Buy shelf date of a year. But other than that, they're going to last indefinitely. So really, they're kind of indefinite little bottles of miracles. Okay, so that's why I choose to do essential oils. The rewards program for me is kind of a no-brainer because I'm going to buy the stuff anyways, so I might as well have a kickback for it. So with all that being said, HommyBiscuits has a channel. Go find me. It's just HommyBiscuits, plain and simple.
HOMMY.
HommyBiscuits. And we're going to have lots of fun over there. Some oily stuff, some DIY stuff, some homestead stuff, just a little bit of everything.
What about your website?
And shortly, we're going to have HommyBiscuits.com, where it's going to kind of have all that same information, but in a written form. So you can reference back to it for recipes, things like that. I also have a oily website now where if for whatever reason you're not comfortable emailing me, which you can at hommybiscuits@gmail.com, you can go to yldist.com/hommybiscuits, and there are links there that you can research the oils, research Young Living, and also sign up. So
And when they sign up with you,
you will get the pocket reference book, which is the wealth of information.
And that's a $20 value.
Right. And then when you sign up for Essential Rewards, you're going to get the Goodie Bag, which, what do we say?
It's about another $20 value.
Right. So,
like legit value, your money out of your pocket that you spent. Not like we made a PDF and valued it at $50.
Right.
No, those books actually cost you $20 a piece.
Yep.
Yep.
So, but they really, Google is a fantastic machine, but it can also be very overwhelming, just the vast amount of information that you get. So this gives you a solid physical thing that you can look at and research and really get in depth with your oils. So
cool.
Come visit us, come check us out, like us, share us.
Do all the things.
All the things. Shalom.